Hey guys, as you can see, we are at Michael's and I am looking for some freaking like ribbon or some lace or something cool because I want to alter a bunch of t-shirts into tank tops or like do something fun with them. So we're here. We have a lot of ribbons to choose from, so let's just see what they have. But what caught my attention so far is this star one. I think that's really cool. And then this like chain is also really nice. My girlfriend likes this one, but I don't know how to feel about this like pleather.
This is cute.
Oh, see, that's cute. I like that. Because I have a lot of like black shirts, so I don't know if I want to do white lace or black lace. Or
I feel like this could go good with either one. Black or white.
yeah. But so far, I think I'm gravitating more towards the star one. I think I like that one that you pulled out too. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like these two would go really good together.
Oh, look at they have this one too where it's like jean.
Oh, the denim one?
Yeah, this is cute. I do like that. But okay.
Something like this.
I was thinking that too, something like this. Or maybe more, yeah, like
I feel like the wider ones would be easier to sew on too.
I was thinking that too. Oh, look at this. It has like this ruffle already.
Oh, that's cute.
That is cute. I do like that. I feel like I could do that at home though.
Yeah, but the time it takes you to do it at home versus it's already.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Okay. I think I'm going to do these three. Hey guys, and we're back home. I'm going to show you the t-shirts that I want to alter. And since this one's already on display, basically, there's this one that I want to alter. I forgot where I got it, to be honest. I forgot where I got a lot of these shirts. But these shirts are fitting really big now, so but I want to alter them into like a tank top thing. So there's that one. There's this one. This one's actually one of my favorite shirts, but again, it fits way too big now. This one's a large, and this one fits really big.
Which one's the one?
This one, the Harley one.
Oh.
Yeah, that was a large.
I think we did notice it when we found it too. It's just like it's kind of big.
Yeah, it's a little on the bigger side. Next one is this one, and I really like this one. This one I remember I got at Spencer's. This one's an extra large, yeah, okay. But that one as well. Super cute, love it. I love all of these. But yeah, so these are the shirts that we're gonna alter. There we go. And I do have this really old American Eagle tank top that I've had for like over a decade, and I want to alter it to be kind of like this tank top. So I really like the way that this tank top fits. I think it's the perfect size. I like the length of it as well. I want it to be long. I don't want a crop top. I want long tank tops. And these are what we're working with. We got these at Michael's, and yeah, you saw when we got these, so I'm not gonna over explain these guys, but I'm super excited to use this one, honestly. And it is a couple of days later. It took me about 3 or 4 days to alter these tank tops, so I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you now and just explain how I went about altering them. Let's jump in. First tank top I have on. I really like how this top came out. I think it turned out really cute. I really like how the white is just popping along with that red. I think this came out really cute. As you can see, we got the sleeves off. I have this little lace part right here that we sewed on. I have the lace on the hem here as well. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this top came out a little more fitted than what I was hoping for. So what I did first was I cut the sleeves off. I cut the excess fabric off here on the sides to take it in. I cut around the collar. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really sure what I was doing with the collar, but I essentially just cut it until I liked how low it was. Pinned it and then sewed it with the sewing machine. I also measured the straps to make sure that they were symmetrical. Then I folded it in half and cut it. I actually used this method for all of the other shirts as well. And these are the settings on my sewing machine in case anyone is interested. Then I ended up pinning the lace once that was done, and then hand sewed the lace. I was nervous about running this lace through my sewing machine because it has these little digits, whatever this is called. So I ended up hand sewing the lace. This is the second tank top that I altered. I was super nervous about altering this one because I love the design. This one turned out more like I was envisioning with the length of it. I don't know if you can see it because everything just kind of blends in here. But the length is farther down. It ends about here. This is where the lace ends. So first thing I did was cut the sleeves off, just like how I did with the last one. Pretty much everything the same. Took the sleeves off, took it in on the sides. I ended up going for more of a square cut up here with just the lace right here on the bottom instead of going all the way up.
And just like the others, we're going to pin it and run it through the sewing machine, just taking it in on the sides there.
And as you can see, we have some lace at the bottom here. I know it's hard to tell because it's black and everything just blends in, but the lace is there. Again, I do like the length of this one a lot better. It's a little longer, which was what I was going for. I do like how this one turned out a lot. I will probably wear this one the most.
Okay, last top. We may be re-recording this because I wanted to change the pants, but this is the last top. Ignore my teeth whitening strips. It's sometime later. I really like how this top came out. I think it's really cute. I thought this red lace would go really well with this top because of the red. I thought it would really make the red stand out. The lace is also elastic. As you can see, I'm stretching it, which is great. We have some lace up here for like a tube top, but I also have straps. We got some star studs as our straps, and the stars are in fact studs, so I did put some fabric on the back just to make sure that the studs don't fall out. Like I said, I'm really happy with how this top came out. I think it looks really cute. I would definitely wear it, and I love the red color of the lace. I think that is so cool. Definitely gonna try to make some more tank tops with this red lace. I think that'd be really cool. The way that I altered this top was essentially how I did the other ones, except I just cut the top off completely. I pinned the lace, I sewed the lace with my sewing machine. Since it is elastic, I figured it'd be fine. It was. Made the process go a lot faster as well. And then I added the straps. I hope you guys liked this week's video. I know I did. I had a lot of fun. I always have a lot of fun just crafting, sewing. I would like to do more videos like this. Feel free to like and comment to let me know if you're also liking them. Let me know what your favorite shirt was. I think mine is a tie between these two, but you let me know what your favorite is. And as usual, if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.